Two standout credit cards, each promising big rewards. One's a premium travel powerhouse. The other packs value into everyday life. Which one really delivers? On the left, Chase Sapphire Reserve, built for globetrotters craving luxury and protection. On the right, Citi Strata Premier, everyday rewards stacked for the modern cardholder. Let's skip the hype. It's time to get into the real benefits that matter. Each category earns points, so you'll see a clear winner by the end. The champion of 2025 might surprise you. Okay, before we get wild with the details, here's a quick mind map to keep us on track. We're comparing these cards across annual fee, rewards and earning potential, purchase protection and benefits, dining and food delivery perks, travel protection and features, redemption value and versatility, and extended warranty and return coverage. Cool, right? Stay with me. This is gonna get interesting. So, first up, annual fee. Let's get honest here. The Chase Sapphire Reserve? It's kinda spicy on price. We're talking $595, maybe even $795, depending on where you look. You're paying for those plush benefits, but oof, not everyone wants to shell out for that. Now, Citi Strata Premier, way more chill, only $95 for the year. That's so much more approachable for most of us, right? Of course, there's a trade-off. Citi doesn't pack in as many premium travel perks. Still, if you hate the idea of huge annual fees, Citi's already looking like a win. Next, let's talk rewards and earning. Chase Sapphire Reserve gives you 3x points on dining, globally too, and throws in solid travel rewards if you book direct through Chase. It's really tuned for travel fans, but, you know, the everyday stuff, you might get a lower multiplier there. Citi Strata Premier, though, honestly, super impressive. You get 3x on dining, supermarkets, and gas stations. Like classic everyday spend. Plus, 3x on hotels and flights if booked direct. And get this, 10x if you use the Citi Travel Portal for select travel. Everyday spenders? That's some serious points action. Now, it doesn't come with all the travel insurance bells and whistles, but whoa, hard to beat those bonus categories. So, yeah, Citi takes the win here. All right, on to purchase protection and benefits. Chase Sapphire Reserve is actually kind of legendary in this department. You get 120 days of purchase protection, up to $10K per item, plus return protection for 90 days, up to $500 per item. And there's extended warranty coverage, which is pretty solid, but it only adds a year for warranties 3 years or less. Citi Strata Premier? Still decent, 90 days of purchase protection at the same 10K limit. And extended warranty goes nuts. Adds 24 months, covers up to 7 years. Seriously, that's amazing if you buy pricey electronics. Only downside for Citi, no return protection. So for overall protection, Chase nails it. Oh, and here's something cool most folks don't realize. Some ultra-premium travel cards can actually snag you up to $300 in food credits each year. That's literally free meals or takeout. Who knew travel perks were this tasty? Let's move to dining and food delivery perks. So, look, with Chase Sapphire Reserve, you're getting Dash Pass membership. Yes, DoorDash. For at least a year, a $5 monthly DoorDash credit, and up to $300 each year on dining credits outside restaurants. Not too shabby if you're a foodie. The only catch? It's all about DoorDash, not Instacart. Citi Strata Premier swings the other way, offering 2 months of Instacart Plus membership, and if you're ordering groceries, $10 off your second order every month, but only through August 2025. The food credit value's a bit smaller here, and really focused on Instacart. So if DoorDash is your jam, Chase is just more fun. Here's something travelers want to know. Travel protection and features. Chase Sapphire Reserve is, honestly, kind of the OG here. You get trip cancellation and interruption coverage up to $20,000 per trip, fancy lounge access, emergency travel assistance, and strong points transfer options. Again, yeah, that annual fee hurts, but the coverage is top tier. Citi Strata Premier? Not bad, but the travel protection caps out at $5,000 per trip, and you miss out on those plush lounges. It'll do the basics, but Chase is the clear standout. Let's talk redemption value and how flexible those points really are. Chase's Ultimate Rewards points, they average about 2.05 cents per point. Pretty nuts. Tons of flexibility for airlines and hotels, especially if you're using the Chase portal. Downside? For max value, you kinda have to stick with the Chase system. Citi's thank you points are solid, about 1.9 cents per point. And you can redeem for cashback, gift cards, travel, whatever you like. Not as juicy for travel transfers, though. And the travel portal is a little less generous. So, for versatility and top-tier redemptions, Chase has this one in the bag. Lastly, extended warranty and return coverage. Chase Sapphire Reserve extends warranties by up to 1 year, but only if the original warranty is 3 years or less. That works for most stuff, but might leave you wanting more. Citi Strata Premier, however, basically dials it up, adding 2 full years, and coverage goes up to 7 years. That's huge if you're buying gear that you want to last. The catch? Citi doesn't have return protection. If you're focused mainly on warranties, though, Citi scores big here. Time for a quick recap. Take a peek at this radar chart. Fun way to visualize which card does best in each category. You'll see Chase Sapphire Reserve is king in travel and premium protection, but Citi Strata Premier completely owns affordability and everyday rewards. So, what's the verdict? If you travel a ton, value top-notch protection, and want your points to stretch far, Chase Sapphire Reserve is probably the way to go, despite the high price. But if you love racking up points on groceries, dining, and gas, and really just want great rewards at a super reasonable annual fee, Citi Strata Premier is calling your name. That's the real-life difference. Found this breakdown helpful? Let me know in the comments. Which card fits your lifestyle and why? I want to hear your